Sweet Dreams from Roy Buchanan. And the #1 sound from Enya, Orinoco Flow, at least maybe #1 until later today when Bruno reveals a brand new chart on the most listened to chart show in Europe. It's 9 minutes after 11 o'clock, it's Remembrance Sunday, and please do remember. And if you get a chance, pick up your poppy and wear it with pride today.
To be done for me, 'cause he could never hold you.
charts, that's Brother Beyond, and he no competition. This is Radio 1 FM, stretching its arms all over the country with good service. Give us a break. Final, second contestant up after ZZ Top. I was watching that lunatic program on television the other night, Rapido. Have you seen it, with that mad Frenchman? Yeah, that's with the jeunesse, la Clissagon Bassac, you know? And this very hip and strict cred, you know? It's quite wild, actually. Mad show, and they had a burst of ZZ Top on there, and I was, for the first time, I really studied the beards on the guys, and I just can't help wondering if they came out of a BBC props department. They look a little too clean now. Travis. Hello, Chris.
Hi, Dave.
How are you?
Nervous?
And?
Thank you.
Is that better? Congratulations on getting this far. We're going for the big prize. You must be feeling semi-relieved that Paul Dean only got 9 earlier.
Only semi.
Semi. And there's one more contestant, Jonathan Welsh from Thorndon High in Suffolk, who's on a little later on. So we're hoping for a good score from you. Good luck. And here we go. Remember, please, first answer is the only one I can accept. Complete the Small Faces album title. Ogden's Not Gone what?
Flake.
Flake is right. I remember those tins, actually. Yeah, all right. What colour would you like?
I think I'd better go for a green, please.
Yeah. A young lion is a cub. What is a young elephant called? Dumbo is not accepted. Thinking. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse.
It's my landlady's children trying to give me assistance.
Your landlady's children are trying to give you assistance?
Yes.
Well, I'll tell you what you've got to do. You've got to throw them out of the room now.
I've just told them to shut up.
Are they away from...
They're away.
Good. All right.
Cough.
Calf is the right answer. Okay, we're on a red ball question now. By what name is singer Mary O'Brien
better known?
I think that's Dusty Springfield.
You thunk right. It's Mary O'Brien. Yeah, that wouldn't have been right, would it? And now here's You Don't Have to Say You Love Me by Mary O'Brien. No, it didn't sound right. Okay, what colour would you like?
I thought, oh, blimey. That one I feel like going for yellow, but I think I better stick with green.
Yes, all right. What is 9 squared?
Oh, no, I'll have to times this, no?
Hello?
I'm just trying to wait.
You're working it out?
Yeah.
Oh, you're working it out?
I'm not sure if it's that or if it's that. I think it's... Alright,
yeah.
I think I've got to go for 81.
You have?
Yeah, have gone, all the tickets in the Frontier have gone, so if you have got a ticket, hang on to it, and we'll see you down there. The doors open at 8 o'clock on this Tuesday. Okay, this Tuesday, that's the 15th, for our Radio Air Solid Gold Night. Let me tell you in advance that we're having a special Christmas night. There's not a whole lot of 60s acts around at the moment that we haven't already had this year. So we thought we'd go for something a little bit different. It will be a solid gold night. It'll be a mixture of 60s, 70s, and perhaps a few from the early 80s. But we've got 2 groups on for our Christmas night, which is back at the Rooftop Gardens in Wakefield, and it's going to be on the 13th of December. So I hope you're not superstitious. Tuesday, the 13th of December for the Christmas solid gold night. We have Rolls Royce, direct from America. Remember Car Wash, Is It Love You're After, Wishing on a Star, all those great hits, and also The Real Things. That's a good double bill. The tickets for that one will be on sale as of tomorrow. So you can get your Christmas party organised. If you want to bring a whole load of friends along, that'll be the Radio Air Christmas Solid Gold Night with music from the 60s, 70s, and perhaps the early 80s as well. The Real Thing and also Rolls Royce on stage, and that'll be at the Rooftop Gardens on Tuesday, the 13th of December. We've got a request that should have played last week. Lillian, apologies to you in Leeds 11. Also Jenny, Dorothy, Alison, and Brenda. This one's for you, Elvis. Come on, I do apologise, but how many degrees in a semicircle? Are you working on this?
I am. I'm just trying to think. I don't know whether it's a semi or a whole. I think the whole blood.
I need an answer.
180.
Sorry?
180. Oh, God.
You're driving me mad. You're giving us ulcers in here. Okay, Red Bull number 5. What is the name of Mark Knopfler's brother who left Dire Straits after their second album?
David.
It is. Right, that was your last Red Bull and your last choice of colour coming up now.
Oh, God, another green.
Another green. Whose official London residence is Lambeth Palace?
That's the Archbishop of Canterbury.
It is. And we're going to let you have a little rest.
I need it.
We've got the colours lined up on the table for you to attempt to clear after this.
I'm gonna tell you how Minnie the Moocher, she was a real good hoochie coocher. She was the toughest frail, but she had a heart as big as a whale. Hidey, 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 holy, 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 she had a thing with the bloke, and she loved him although he was cold. He took her down to Chinatown.